Hello everyone, welcome back to our downsizing series where we're talking about everything downsizing or making a move on your house. Today it's all about your property taxes and specifically Prop 19. This was a game changer a few years back. It has to do with being able to take your tax bases on your current home to a new home within the whole state of California. You were never able to do this before. So this really changed how people make moves and what they do today. The key thing is you've got to be 55 years of age, or if you're married, one of the spouses has to be at least 55. This allows you to protect your current tax base. So let's say you bought that home 20 years ago and it's currently assessed at $700,000 for your taxes, but the house is worth $2 million. Well, you want to go buy another house, you sell this house and you want to go spend $2 million on the next house because you have that amount of money now from the sale of your current residence. But you're like, wait a minute, my tax basis is going to triple. I can't afford that. It's going to go from $8,000 a year to $24,000 a year in taxes. That will stop people dead in their tracks. Here comes Prop 19. Now you can take that tax basis, like I said, anywhere in the state of California and keep that lower number. So once you retire, you're on a fixed income, this is going to change kind of your thinking process. We're like, oh wow, I can go get rid of this huge 3,000 square foot, 3-level story mountain house that I don't really want to take care of anymore and get a killer beach house that's walkable, urban. I mean, it's just one example, right? But now that would not maybe be in your plans, but it should be. So this is kind of some of the details we have as part of our downsizing series. You want to check out all this. We've talked about Prop 19 in the past. We have it in this blog, all that information about super detailed stuff from the state of California, from the county, on how it all works. We've done it several times for our clients. So if you need questions answered, we're your resource. Just reach out to me, phone call, a text, or email away, and we're easy to handle this. So look forward to hearing from you. I hope you enjoyed this episode or this chapter of our downsizing series and look forward to the next one. Take care.